Hello, in this video I want to show you how to do a full factory reset on any Sony Bluetooth speaker. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that it is powered on. If you haven't had it on for a while, you may want to go ahead and plug it in and have it charged completely before doing the reset. And of course, as you know, the Sony Bluetooth use a USB-C charging cord. All right, turn it on, make sure that it is powered on. And then the only thing you have to do is hold down the minus button, which is right here, and then the Bluetooth button simultaneously at the same time for 5 seconds until it turns off. And keep your eye on the power button, the green power. Now it's off. Still hold it for another 5 seconds. Let go. And then turn it back on, and it should be completely reset. Let me know in the comment section what model number that you have of the Sony. This particular one is an SRS-XB 13, which is an excellent Bluetooth speaker. All right, have a good one, and bye-bye.